Choosing the right font in Microsoft Word 365 can make a huge difference in how your documents are perceived. Whether you're creating a professional report, a school assignment, or a creative project, the font you choose affects readability, style, and overall impact. In this video, we'll go over the best fonts in Word 365 and why they're worth using. First up is Aptos, Microsoft's new default font. Aptos is a clean, modern sans serif that works perfectly for professional documents, digital reading, and any text where clarity is key. Next is Calibri, the classic font many of us are familiar with. It's friendly yet professional, making it ideal for reports, emails, and general-purpose documents. Another great choice is Arial, a simple, neutral font that is versatile and works well for headings, body text, and almost any context. For documents that require a more traditional look, Times New Roman remains a go-to. Its classic serif style is perfect for academic papers, legal documents, or any formal writing. Georgia is another serif font optimized for both screen and print readability, making it excellent for newsletters, long articles, or digital publications. For longer reports and essays, Cambria is a solid choice, designed for comfort and clarity in both print and digital formats. Other notable fonts include Tahoma, a highly legible sans serif, Consolas, a monospaced font ideal for technical documents and code, and Candara and Constantia, which offer a mix of elegance and readability for creative or professional documents. Microsoft 365 also lets you access cloud fonts, giving you even more modern options for your work. Choosing the right font comes down to your document's purpose, readability, and style. Experiment with these fonts to find what best fits your project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.